Going downhill with the bicycle is fun, but what do you do when you have to go up? This is a demo for walk assist, a really cool feature that electric bikes have.
On a short hill like this, the power assist is quite amazing. It just pulls you right through with no problem. But on a bigger hill, like this one over here, everything changes. And this is where this walk mode is extremely important. Some bikes have it, some don't. Some have a throttle, which works great, some don't. Luckily, this bike has a walk mode on the dash. Let me show you how it works. And here it is. You have to be in any kind of a power mode, doesn't matter which one you are on. What you're gonna do is you're gonna press and hold the minus button, which is here on top. And as soon as you push this one and hold, it's gonna go into walking mode. And it's gonna try to help you push the bike up the hill. Something that is nearly impossible, like walking up this hill with a 40-pound or 20-kilo dead weight, becomes doable by using the assist mode. Now I'm trying to walk it with the assist. So in conclusion, the power assist is quite awesome. There is only one problem. It's not as strong as you would get on a hub motor bicycle. Oh yeah, throttle mode, look. It wants to go. Now I know I'm talking about $600 bicycles over here, and it makes complete sense. I'm sure if you have an $8,000 bike, things will change. This bicycle, it's meant for speed. You can easily go to 40 kilometers an hour, 30 miles an hour about. Because of that, it has a very, very big disc for the chain in the front. Because of that, it has less torque. These 250 motors over here are not as strong as 250 motors on the wheel, regardless of the gearing, based on my experience. It can easily climb a hill, as you saw in this video. It definitely helps. It's really, really useful. But compared to my hub $600 Ancheer bicycle, link at the bottom of this video, that one wants to run away from you, literally. Wants to run away from you at full throttle. Oh yeah, throttle mode, look. It wants to go. So a little bit of a different approach. Maybe this will be a good example for the walk assist. And I'm going to show you how the walk assist works. Okay, here we go. Gentle push, and it will walk itself up this hill, hopefully. The only downside is you have to hold on to the button, and it only goes 3 to 4 kilometers an hour, which is quite slow. If I would have had a throttle, it would have been better, but it's almost walking by itself. I still have to push it a little bit. I remember on the Ancheer, it was literally walking itself up. Oh yeah, throttle mode, look. It wants to go. You have to hold on to it so it doesn't get away from you. So different approach, but it still does the job. Slowly, it still does the job. There it is. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. And the big hill, it's gone, almost. With the Ancheer, I would have been on top of the hill 4 years ago. Come on. This is for old people. Going down the hill with one hand on the handlebars, one holding the camera because I didn't get my camera mounted yet. It's a big hill, so I'm quite careful. Move the front brake to the right, as a motorcycle should, or any bicycle should. And we found a little bit of a hill over here. We gotta change gears. Oh yeah, this is gnarly. This is really gnarly over here.